Ron and I are starting on a new start for a new railroad. See that? Now, for those of you that don't know, this part right here with the bridges and then it kind of curves as you go all the way down there. Anyway, this is from his original layout and we are incorporating that into the new layout. And this part here is known as Sparky's Lake or Lake Sparky. So there are some old pieces incorporated with the new idea. Pretty cool, huh? So there you go. Here's the old part. Lake Sparky, and it's all framed in. It's looking good. We will keep you updated as time goes.